Take me back to heaven, almighty disco. Disco till I die. Oh, happiness until you die. Until the end of your last breath. Live it well, will you? How you guys doing? I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing great. If you're wondering why I don't post or upload that often, it's because I don't get the I don't know. I don't want to sound narcissistic, but I don't get the recognition that I think I deserve. If you really want to see more, if you really want to hear more, you must subscribe. You must like. You must share. Otherwise, I'm gonna be like this. I'm gonna back off. If you really don't share, subscribe, and like, I really will back off. I'm gonna do like this once in a blue moon. Anyway, I hope you guys doing fine. This is the Elliott Wave Assumption, and so far we've been doing fine. It's amazing. I have my own counts. Some people have their own counts. I love them. I respect them. They should respect me. So 5 waves down equates to 1. Corrective wave complex equates to 2. 1, 2, and we're going 1, 2 now. And I think we might bounce a little bit. But under this assumption, we are going through meltdown really soon. No one knows the future. So this is Elliott Wave. And I love Elliott. I really live by Elliott, but I really don't want to be stuck. So I understand the price structure, but I don't want to have that Elliott bias, even though it helped me in the past. So this is Elliott. Okay? Volume analysis, distribution. It's very obvious right here. Distribution, distribution, distribution. It's extremely obvious. More selling volume than buying volume since June. There's no doubt about that. You could look at it, you could pause, you could look. No doubt about that. We talked about the negative divergences, the mini ones, the major ones, which I really think they mark an end of a move. And as I said many times, YouTube is full of people that have a lot of followers but don't have enough information, enough knowledge about behavioral finance. Some people don't believe in negative divergence. I heard people that have 150,000 followers don't believe in Japanese candles. That's why, if you want to learn, hit the books. Never ever get it from Google. Never ever get it from Udemy. Never ever get it from YouTube. If you're lazy, it's up to you. Don't think this market is gambling. You are the lazy one. You must hit the books. So this is Elliott. All right. And I tweeted before the importance of the 10-day moving average, and I always say buy above it, sell below it, be neutral when it's sideways. And I did tweet about it right here. I said now it should be neutral, and when it went down right here, I said in Twitter the 10-day moving average is going to act like a resistance, which had happened right here. See, it's simple rules. If you read the books, you understand them. 10-day moving average now is a sell because of downsloping. It was neutral right here. It was a sell right here. Neutral right here. All right, good deal. So we discussed 10-day moving average, Elliott Wave. Now this is the daily time frame using the Bollinger Band and what I call disco combo. Even though it's been seen before, a lot of people know about it, but I'm full of it. I'm a narcissistic mother. It's not disco combo. Everybody knows about it, you moron. All right. So what happened? What happened here? I tweeted. And I think I posted a video, I don't know. Every time you have a multiple, a bearish divergence, and the bearish crossover in the MACD, and a stochastic in the past, this produces always a sell, a bad thing. So it happened right here. So this is what happened. And I tweeted yesterday, every time the RSI is below 50, selling pressure would resume. And this is what happened. Good deal. All right, Mr. Know-it-all, enough. Okay, so what happened? The price action found buyers at the end of the Bollinger Band, and it bounced. Okay, usually this is positive as long as the price action inside of the Bollinger Band, which is the standard deviation between the price and the 20 period moving average. So it found buyers at this price memory and this Bollinger Band. Yet usually a mean reversion happen, which indicates the price action goes to 20-day moving average. So is it safe now to buy? Absolutely not. Is it possible to go to mean reversion? Yes. Why it's not safe? Because there's no confirmation. Good. So if you read the books, you will understand that. But if you read YouTube and Twitter, you would not understand that. Okay. And this is the found line I posted many times in Twitter. And people always doubt technical analysis. More power to them. So this is a Fibonacci trend line, 1, 2, 3. And these two acted as resistance. And you see what happened right here? And it did act like resistance. And I tweeted at the October 12th that the price action is at resistance. At seller's place, whereas it is at the trend line and the Bollinger Band and a price memory. And so look what happened. So does the technical analysis work? You betcha. And I tweeted in the past that this number in stochastic is beautiful. It shows strength, but in the past it does not stay that long there. It was 1 day prior to the seller's area, and this what happened. And this is the Bollinger Band. So you understand? It's not mumbo jumbo. It's not black magic. If you hit the books, you'll understand what are we talking about. Okay, this is the 4-hour time frame. Going back to the mean reversion trade. So what's positive about this 4-hour time frame for the Dow? By the way, this is the Dow Industrial. How dare you? You just say good things about yourself and forget about the illustration, you moron. Phew! Sorry. It's me, myself, and Irene right here. Sorry about that. Okay, so this is the 4-hour time frame. There's nothing bullish about that except the bullish divergence right here from this low to this low and the stochastic in the 4-hour time frame. Okay, yet it's still oversold. It's always bullish when it gets above the oversold. And this is a beautiful hammer and a bullish harami. This thing means nothing unless it opens in and gets inside the Bollinger Band. So it's still bearish, but with bullish development. Bullish harami and a hammer and bullish divergence. Kabish! The indication is mean reversion trade if it happens. The VIX, as I tweeted before, this is a saucer formation, and it's showing bullish development. It needs to break this bad boy. If it breaks it, it's going to be really, really bullish because of the time, the duration of this formation. Saucer formation is always bullish because it takes its time. Good deal. TLT, as I tweeted before 2 days ago, and you could pause and read what I wrote here. Take it easy. Okay, good deal. And I tweeted, this is a bullish person right here for the Japanese candle. It indicated some bullish developments, as I said before, and that's what happened. Yet now we are at the sellers area. You found sellers at the 50% Feb retracement from this high to this low, and it's like a doji candle. And according to this study, the Akamuri study, it's still in a correction. Read, why don't you? I can't just explain everything to you. Sheesh! And this is the dollar, as I tweeted and posted videos before. This is one. ABC equates to 2. Some people call it other things. Elitician, we are free to think whatever we say, whatever we know. Just say whatever. And we have 1, 2. This is the Fibonacci retracement, 7, 6 Fibonacci retracements from this low to this high, which is indicative of wave 2. So the indication is we're going through wave 3. Once we break above this broken trend line, things will move fast. Good deal. So in conclusion, we are very bearish for the market, yet we might have some correction to the upside, and nobody knows the future. If he really wants want me to do this all the time, almost every day, if I have more subscribers and more likes, I might do it, but not. If not, if you're cold, I get cold. Sorry, guys. You know, I have feelings too. Think about me. What about me? I love you guys. I love you guys. Please like, subscribe, and share. I want this service from you. Please help me out. Serve me. Help me. In a good way, not serve me as a servant. In a good way. I love you guys. Our disco is forever.